In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. After all that, you can finally go into Tap menu. Now it's time to edit your shortcuts. In order to do that, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Edit Tiles and look for Caffeine 1 under More Tiles. This one. Then tap on this plus to add it. Hold it and place it wherever you want to. When you finished, click on top left corner. And now click on Caffeine shortcut. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that infinite sleep time is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!